Hello everyone. Today we will be analyzing online cookies. Now obviously when I say cookies, I'm not talking about oatmeal cookies or Oreos or cookies and milk. No. We're talking about internet cookies. Internet cookies are small files placed on your web browser by certain web servers. So this can mean different websites or any links that you may use. Cookies are created when visiting a website which wishes to store information. This is why websites portray recent activity after returning to them at a later time. Here's an example of a website pop-up that uses cookies. On the bottom here, you could see this website uses cookies. I'll explain what some of these mean. There are different types of cookies. The first type of cookie is session cookies, a cookie stored in a temporary memory location that contains information which deletes when the web browser closes. This means if you were to open a website and then close that tab later, all the information from that session would be deleted. The next type of cookie are persistent cookies. These are cookies that are stored in a user's hard drive until they expire. So if you were to close the tab and return to the same website, the information would still be there. Now these two types of cookies can also be first-party cookies or third-party cookies. First-party cookies are directly sent by the main page and are usually identifiable by the site's domain name. However, third-party cookies are sent by those with interest in the page. So if you go on a website and an ad pops up, those are considered third-party cookies. And these record how many times certain ads are viewed and by who they are viewed. What are the pros of cookies? Cookies allow users to pick up right where they left off when returning to a page. This is seen with persistent cookies. Persistent cookies allow various websites to remember your preferences. So if you were to create an account somewhere, persistent cookies allow you to remember your login information, or if you were to have changed your language, it remembers that too. Session cookies are used on shopping websites. This is why when you go on Amazon and add something to your cart within that website, it stays as long as you have the tab open. However, when there are pros to something, there may be downsides. In this case, the cookies have a few downsides. Many individual cookies have limited storage, which means that although they are useful with storing, they must be separated or grouped into large numbers. Cookies can also be easily disabled, so when you think you may have something saved, there's a chance the website may do a reset and your information may be changed or deleted. Some browsers that you may use may reject cookies and not allow them to be used. So if you wish to have information saved, some browsers may not allow this. Lastly, cookies may be related to invasion of privacy, as they do contain some of your information, such as if you wanted to save your credit card number or passwords. Now, cookies are useful, but always remember to be careful when using them, especially with private information.